word, diligent. The pronunciation is very easy. 3 syllables, and the emphasis on first syllable. Deal. Gent. Diligent. The meaning of the word diligent is being careful, persistent and hardworking, often with the intention of achieving a particular goal or result. It implies being attentive to detail and putting in consistent effort and focus. For example, she is a diligent student who studies for hours each day. The company's success is due to the diligent work of its employees. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.